Good morning, boys and girls. This is Ms. Mahaffey from the second grade team, the Mahaffey Megastars classroom. And today is Earth Day. And what a perfect day to share a poem with you today about Earth Day. First of all, what do we know about poems? Can anybody remember what we've learned about poems this year? Right, they have a rhythm or a beat to them. They have lines. They have stanzas, that's groups. And sometimes they have rhyming words, okay? So we're going to look at this poem today. It's called What You Can Do. So what can you do today to celebrate the earth? I want you to think about that and see if this poem helps you and give you any ideas. And I'd love to see some pictures posted, okay? All right, so the title is What You Can Do, okay? So I'm going to read it along, and then we'll go back and we'll talk about some of the things that we can do to celebrate our earth today, okay? Are you ready? Okay. When you see litter in the streets and the air smells of pollution, when you feel like it's all piling up, remember, there's a solution. Here's the second stanza. There's something each of us can do to keep the rivers clean, to keep fresh the air we breathe and keep the forest green. Do you hear those rhyming words? Yes. I'm going to underline them with a purple marker. Clean, green, pollution, solution. And they're most likely found at the what part of the line? At the end is correct. All right, first stanza. Here's the second stanza. Stanza is a group of lines. Okay, here we go. Help clean a beach or recycle bottles and cans. Learn about the problems we face and help others understand. Okay, hear those rhyming words? Absolutely. Can and understand. It doesn't have to be a lot if we each just do our share. So take time on Earth Day to show the earth you care. So share and care is absolutely right. And that's the third stanza and the fourth. Who can tell me how many lines are in this poem? Let's count them. Or we can number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 lines in this poem. Okay, and I want you to think about also the difference between a poem and a story. Okay, I want you to think about that. All right, good. Okay, so what is this poem wanting us to do? What's the author's purpose in writing this poem? Think about that for a minute. Talk to an adult or another friend or your brother or sister. Why do you think the author wrote this poem? You're right. He's telling us that there is pollution all over our world, and there are things that we can do. Just a little bit. Okay, it don't have to be a lot. Okay, says here to keep our beaches and rivers clean. Don't throw your trash out. Keep our forests green. Don't throw your trash. Clean up your beaches. Okay, and right now our beaches, well, some of them are starting to open up. Don't throw your bottles and cans down. Recycle them. Put them in a box and recycle those. And then talk to others about if you see someone littering or doing something to our earth. Talk to them. Tell them what they can be doing. Okay? It doesn't have to be a lot to show the earth we care. All right, so what are some things that you can do today to celebrate Earth? Okay, good. Okay, well, I'm going to tell you or show you some things that I have made. And so today's a good day, and I'm going to get outside and I'm going to work in my flower beds, and I have some bird feeders. I'm going to put some bird seed in them, and so there's a lot of things I'm going to do outside because it's pretty. If you can't get outside, there are some things you can do in your house. Just using these toilet paper rolls, bottle tops, toothpicks, and tape, and ribbon, craft sticks. Okay, I did have some seed here at the house. All right, so here's a couple of things that you can make. And I did not go out and buy any of this. Also, a nail. You'll need a nail. Okay, because I'll show you what you need it for. These are things I found here at my house that I can recycle to take care of my world. Okay, so you boys and some of you girls, this is really cool. All right, are you ready? All right, look at here. I made a car, and me and my nephews are going to make cars. I didn't decorate it. I did cut a little hole in the top to put my little man in, or my little woman in there. But all I did is I took a toilet tissue roll, and I took some bottle caps. I punched a hole in them and put the toothpick through there. Now, the hole in the toilet paper tube is going to have to be a little bigger than the toothpick so that it'll actually roll. Okay. All right. And then put them on like that. And isn't that the coolest thing? It actually will roll. Okay. And you and your friends or your brothers and sisters can have a race. I know the weather's supposed to be coming in this afternoon. And so tomorrow it may be a little rainy. So this would be something cool to do on a rainy day. And you and your mother, your brothers, whoever can have a car race. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so today, if you can get outside, and I uploaded a scavenger hunt. And so guess what I made? Binoculars, yes. I can use my binoculars to go outside and look at birds or flowers. And I took those toilet paper, tissue rolls, put two together, taped it around, put some ribbon or string, whatever you have at your house. I had this from my classroom a couple of years ago and had some left. Decorate it and then put it around. And you're ready to go on your scavenger hunt. How cool is that? Pretty cool. You can see who can spy the most things. All right. Okay. Last of all, if you have some plant seed, plant some plants. Just dig a little dirt, put your plants in there, water it real good, okay? And these takes about 10 days, okay? All right, craft sticks. You can do lots of things with these, okay? It says you can make flowers, you can make stars or snowflakes, cats. Man, there are all different things that you can make with craft sticks. And you can also make math games, as I showed y'all last week, or a couple of weeks ago. Anyway, so get out there today, boys and girls. Celebrate the earth. What are you going to do? Post me some pictures. I'd love to see them. Have a great Earth Day, and I love you so much. Goodbye.